Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. We had this Dell laptop E7270. It was short, so we tried everything. I have put all other videos for basic details that how we can solve the issue. Okay, basic solutions. I have put 2-3 videos, but after all checking everything, we inspect the motherboard and everything. What we got over because it was short from somewhere, so we check everything from the motherboard. But what we got here, if you can see closely, and this DP cable was broken, and because of this it was short. Okay, so we found the solution. Before opening the laptop, you must check all the ports. Okay, you have to check all the. Sometime your USB ports can be broken, and then because of that laptop can be short. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Dr. Mob.